This is Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with this week's Find of the Week. And we have these cute little tub planters, perfect for container gardening. And I just put some coleus in here. You can see the bottom, and it's got kind of a curved side. It doesn't have holes in the bottom, but you could easily put some holes in the bottom. And they're just cute and quaint. Little shabby chic look for a patio or like a little deck area. And you could either just leave things in the container like I did here, and even drill some holes in the bottom. You could put a little bit of Spanish moss in the top there. But they make for a cute little planter with a little faucet that comes over the top. And I just wanted to share that with you. Zep's out here with me, and we're taking pictures, and I've been doing everything I can to not get photobombed. We've got turtles everywhere. So it's supper time and they're wanting to eat. So these are some cute little container garden recipes and containers that you can put things in, especially if you're in a small place. You know, the average pots get kind of old. So be sure and check us out on our website at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques, and give us a like on Facebook.